Hi everyone, Jeffrey here, Sephora Beauty Director.
And I'm Myiesha, I'm also Beauty Director.
And we're so excited to bring you this video today because this is gonna be all about skincare.
Yes, these are our favorite weeks because we're in the studio and we're literally trying it and gasping as we try all these new cool things.
Yeah.
These are some of your favorite brands too, most likely, that have come out with some really cool stuff. We have some very exciting textures, some really cool technology. You guys are gonna wanna run to Sephora and try all of this on. It's very sensorial.
Latest, greatest in ingredient decks for sure. We've got some really fun ingredients to share with you in this video. And basically what we're gonna do is break it down by skin concern. So we have a few concerns that you guys have addressed in the comment section below, and we're gonna go concern by concern and recommend a product for you. So if you're interested in the newest, the hottest, what's really hitting the scene in skincare, this video is for you.
So we have a few picks here for certain skin concerns. Our first pick is something that is brand new, like all the other products in the video, for very dry skin. So your favorite skin mist has a little sister now, or big sister, I don't know what you want to call it, a sibling. So this is the DEWY Skin Cream from Tatcha. So this one gives you that same beautiful look that the DEWY Skin Mist gives you, where your skin just looks nice and plump and hydrated. I would say I love it on all skin types. I use it myself as an oily person. This is nice, it's emollient, but it's not heavy. It is for drier skin, but I can still use it around my mouth and my drier areas, so I would still encourage you to try it if you don't have primarily dry skin.
Right.
It has Japanese purple rice, which I really want to eat now.
Yeah, and it gives it this beautiful color. Like it's like a most beautiful lavender shade.
There you go. It
Love
smells
it.
really good, just like all of Tatcha's products. It's really soothing, has botanicals in it. You can always count on Vicky to add in some really luxurious ingredients, but they always have a purpose, which is really, really nice. If you're not a fan of heavy creams, again, I would try this out and see, because it just has a really nice feeling to it. It's not heavy at all. I don't really feel any oils or anything like that.
No, I feel like it's gonna, it softens the top layer of skin enough to where it's gonna be really pliable and beautiful for makeup application. So I could see this being like a really great makeup prep moisturizer.
For sure.
So for those of you that are experiencing a little bit of dullness or kind of like a sallow, lackluster skin, no fears, because brighter days are ahead. We have the cutest product up from Glow Recipe. Obsessed with this packaging. Can we talk about it? Let's give it a moment.
Christine and Sarah did a really great job. I was just interviewing them, and I told them that they make their packaging so cute that it's kind of like when kids have pink toothpaste and they want to brush their teeth. I want to do my skincare because everything is so cute.
I love it. Now this is the Glow Recipe. We have the Pineapple C Bright Serum. Now this is going to be infused with 40% pineapple juice. You can literally smell it when you open the product. But this is going to be a daily serum that's going to really encourage radiance and brightness in the skin. You've also got a potent source of vitamin C from that pineapple. You've got alpha hydroxy acids in there from various fruit acids, and then you've also got bromelain extract, which is actually derived from the pineapple, that gives you that kind of instant brightening and glow.
Kind of the same way when you eat pineapple, it can kind of have that really gentle tingle in your mouth because those enzymes are breaking down pretty much anything it comes in contact with. So this is something really nice if you want that sort of enzymatic peel sensation, but maybe you skip out on your exfoliation a couple times a week. This is something you can use day or night just to sort of get that nice radiance to your skin.
Now, it's definitely, for it having so much juice, one thing that we notice is that it's not very sticky. It feels very smooth. It kind of doesn't leave a lot of residual surface texture. So if you're one of those people that doesn't like to feel a lot of product on the skin, this is going to be a really great one to encourage that brightening effect.
It would layer really nicely too with the pink watermelon moisturizer because they're both very, very lightweight textures. And I would say if you want a little bit more hydration, you could put the avocado mask on top of that at night. And I feel like that would be a really nice combination for someone who's sort of normal, dehydrated.
Making your own little fruit salad, like your own little ambrosia salad.
I'm more likely to use like a fragrance or a skincare product if I like the ingredients and I want to eat them.
Absolutely, I love it. Now this is also really great for those of you out there that are really trying to kind of grasp onto that glass skin trend. This is really going to give you that smooth sort of translucent skin effect. Really looking like the skin is almost like see-through, right? Like so beautiful.
A lot of times they sort of liken it to a hard-boiled egg. You want your skin to have the same feel as a hard-boiled egg, and you want that like translucent softness that bounces back. So that's kind of like the best way to think of glass skin if you're not quite sure what it means.
Love it.
Hard-boiled eggs all around.
Now, typically in the past, a lot of people have shied away from using pineapple enzymes because they can be a little acidic, but this is really great because it's got aloe infused in the product as well as cognac, which is going to help to soothe and prevent any inflammation from happening.
Yeah, Glow Recipe does a really great job of when a product is for a certain concern, they always add in some buffers, like with the avocado melt mask, it has some clay in it. So if you are someone who breaks out, you're not getting too much moisture and too many of the avocado oil. So this has a buffer as well with those enzymes, making it a little bit gentler on the
It's
skin.
literally like Sarah and Christine keep each other in checks and balances.
I just love
right? They're the best.
I just love them so much.
We love you guys.
So our next concern, I feel like I have all these concerns, so it's not really fair for me to be like, this concern is mine. But this concern is pores. I know pores are a huge concern across all age groups. I feel like it's sort of targeted towards younger people, but when you're older too, your pores have been through some years too.
Yeah, exactly.
So it's very important to keep them clean. They will look smaller if they are clean because you can't change the size of a pore. But we have something, our favorite. We love Dr. Dennis Gross, and there's something brand new from Dr. Dennis Gross. This is the clinical grade resurfacing liquid peel. So it's a two-step. If you use the peel pads, you're very familiar with doing a two-step process. One, to actually exfoliate the skin with lactic acid and something to neutralize it. So this is sort of like a tactile version of the peel pads in a way, but it's clinical grade. So it's going to have more exfoliation. It's going to smooth that skin out. It's going to really prep it for makeup really well too. And this is something you can use night or day and just follow up with your normal skincare.
But, you know, it's really cool. I love that he always does that sort of acid and base mixture because then you can sort of, you get the powder to turn the peel off whenever you feel like you want to. That second step really gives you control of the treatment at home. And then another added fact is that anytime you're moving from an acidic level to a more alkaline level on the skin, you're actually encouraging collagen elastin to like synthesize in the skin, which is really, really nice.
Yeah.
So it's like added benefits.
Yeah, if you maybe aren't doing your exfoliation as you should, or you're just kind of maybe like you want something different than the typical physical exfoliation, I definitely recommend you get into a chemical exfoliation. And chemical's not a scary word, it just means it's something in a bottle most likely. And using the two together, physical exfoliation and chemical exfoliation, make your skin gorgeous.
For sure. So the application is really similar to a lot of the other peels that Dr. Dennis Gross has in the range. Of course, you've got the classic 2 steps. So basically, you're just going to take a little bit and apply that from hand directly to face, and leave step 1 on for about 2 minutes, and then follow up with step 2 with the same application. So put a little bit in your hand and apply that directly to the face. Now you can leave that on for as long as you want. Like you can sleep in it, whatever. I would recommend probably doing this PM, just if you're somebody that's new to a peel, so that way you're not risking any.
Yeah, or if you're not great with your sunscreen, I would do it at night.
For sure.
But you still want to be good with your sunscreen because if you're doing all this resurfacing and you're not wearing sunscreen, you're kind of canceling out your results in a way. I like to do step 1 of my regular peel pads before I brush my teeth and then do step 2 after I'm done. Just to sort of fit it in so I'm not waiting around to prep my skin. So that's something you can do as well. We all are big fans of the peel pads, all the beauty directors. I want a bath towel. I feel like that would be absolutely amazing. A giant peel pad bath towel.
And you all know David is like literally so obsessed. Like he's like literally taking up stocks in these peel pads. Like I'm serious. So this product is gonna be right up his alley. Like, oh my god! You see what I mean? You see? Okay, so this next product is really going to be targeted for somebody who's concerned with fine lines and wrinkles, and you have all of the technology in one product. This is jam-packed with a lot of amazing tech. From Peter Thomas Roth, this is called the Peptide 21 Wrinkle Resist Serum. Now, you have a 73% peptide complex in here. I think that's the highest that I've ever heard of in my entire career, but peptides are really great for kind of encouraging the skin to act and feel younger. Like literally kind of reverses the clock to a certain degree, right?
They tend to make the skin really cushy too and very moisturized. I feel like if you have dry skin and you feel like I put moisturizer on, I don't feel anything, having something with those peptides in it is just really, really nice on the skin.
Now you've also got neuropeptides in here, which act almost instantaneously on the skin. So you are gonna get some quick visual results from this product. And then you've got 2 gamma proteins in there, which are really gonna help to give the skin all the building blocks that it needs to produce healthy skin cells. So then you've also got another added technology in here, which is that 5% squalene, which is gonna really give the skin a boost of hydration and really help with radiance and elasticity.
So our final concern is breakouts. and I identify with all of these concerns, but this is a special one for me. So we have some really cool new technology here.
So this is from Dr. Jart. This is called the Focus Spot Blemish Micro Tip Patch. Now, these are really great. These are like small micro patches that you can use on maybe like a nodular or like a larger breakout. Or
when
maybe
it's cystic, you want to go deeper to the skin. That's why this is really cool.
Yeah, this is actually, I think we should open these so you can kind of take a look at them because they're really awesome. There's some new technology in here that I haven't really ever seen before. But on the tips of on the underside of the patch are actually small little micro cones made of hyaluronic acid. And what that does is softly perforates the top layer of the skin so that the vitamin B3 and all of the soothing and healing ingredients can really work its way into the breakout.
I want to save it for when I take my makeup off.
It's really cool, right? It's like a little, literally looks like a little like,
yeah.
Dude, it's this is future. This is the future. I don't really know how to describe it, actually. Like, literally.
The little microcones are so small. They look like teeny little hairs. They're so tiny.
Yeah.
So that's really cool.
So yes, and what winds up happening is, again, those kind of like perforate the top layer of the skin, and then that hyaluronic acid melts into the skin and gives you a soft hydration. I think that's something that we talk about a lot on this channel, but not a lot of people know, is that when you have breakouts, it's also important for you to infuse hydration into the skin so that the blemish can actually heal itself.
Yeah, you're very tempted to just sort of dry the skin out because you feel like if it's void of moisture, you won't have any more breakouts or you won't be oily anymore, but you're actually doing more harm than good. Especially if you get that little ring of dead skin around your blemish, that's not cute. Then you have to worry about that and then sort of hydrate and exfoliate that. So this is kind of hitting two concerns in one, the hydration and the breakout.
Now, these do have a raised appearance on the skin, so I wouldn't necessarily recommend applying makeup over them. They're really designed for wearing for that 2-hour period of window.
Depends on how determined you are.
She's like, I can figure it out. I love it.
I got a lot of hair. I could just do one of those. You should wear these for a minimum of 2 hours. Overnight would be best, or on those days when you don't leave the house or whatever you want to do. Really,
really, really cool. Now, these also come for an array of concerns, not just breakouts. You also have some under eye patches. They have some that are targeted for fine lines, maybe like the marionette lines in here. So definitely check these out from Dr. Jart. Really cool, innovative technology, and I think we're both really excited to try
these.
This
would also be a really good gift for your techie friend because the packaging and the innovation is very appealing.
Yeah, for sure. So you're gonna find that there's little cello pieces that you just wanna remove, and that will reveal like a little lip that actually attaches to the skin. So then you're gonna source the blemish and apply directly to that.
Source the blemish. I don't have to look that hard.
Source the blemish. Now you do wanna kind of press in on it, and you'll feel the pressure of the cones kind of working into the skin and dispersing that hyaluronic acid. Very, very cool. Okay, so that was so much fun. I feel like we just geeked out for like 15 minutes about the most amazing skincare technology. You know I'm a freak for this stuff.
Yes, and remember these are all new. So you can run to your skincare section of your local Sephora and try all of these. I feel like you have to touch and feel skincare to really experience it. You can pull up the video if you want, if you can't remember all the names. So you can try everything.
Give me this. Yes, and if you're curious to try any of these products, or you're really intrigued by the technology that you saw here in this video, be sure to shout that out in the comment section below. We want to hear what you're excited to try.
Yeah, or if you tried it, let us know too how you're loving it or any new skincare finds. We love talking to you guys, and we'll see you next time.
Ciao.
Bye.